How to choose a small CNC milling machine that suits your factory. Under what circumstances would one need to? Choose a small CNC milling machine. Small CNC milling machines are 3-axis vertical devices for bench or desktop use, ideal for workshops, studios, and labs. They are suitable for enclosures, panels, fixtures, small molds, and prototyping in materials like aluminum, plastics, and wood. Best for low-volume runs of about 10 to 200 pieces. First of all, startup time from equipment installation to first part output. Recommended options include CNC models with safety guards, dust extraction, sample projects, clear documentation, and bundled fixtures. Secondly, processing cycle efficiency per batch. For frequent tool changes and clamping, use automatic tool settings. Design simple fixtures for high-frequency parts, and establish parameter templates to streamline repetitive setups. Quality focuses on dimensional consistency, surface finish, and assembly fit. For optimal small CNC performance, focus on stable structure, enclosed dust collection, and reliable control for precision and repeatability. In processing, follow rough gives semi-finish gives finish stages, and use MQL lubrication for materials like aluminum and plastics to improve finish and tool life. In practice, ensure secure clamping, use gauges, create reusable parameter cards, and limit use to small molds, cavities, avoid high load, or large part machining. Cost assessment should encompass equipment, tooling fixtures, consumables, and time investments. The price range for entry-level small CNC milling machines is between $900 and $2,500 US. The price range for more stable small CNC milling machines is between $2,500 and $9,000 US. The price range for more advanced and comprehensive small CNC milling machines is between $2,500 and $9,000 US. Choose a small CNC milling machine. These points are even more crucial when selecting equipment. Ensure the workpiece's maximum contour fits within the travel range after clamping. And choose strategies by material. Prioritize spindle speed and dust control for wood plastic, and dust control for wood plastic, and structural stability with lubrication for aluminum. Also prioritize automatic tool settings and tool changers for efficiency, and opt for solutions with easy maintenance guides, CAD/CAM compatibility, sample projects, and essential accessories to ensure long-term stable output.